Good morning, students. Now, this is your social study class. Students, hope you all are fit and fine. And today, in continuation of the chapter Direction, we will practice very short type question answer. Students, already we have completed the revision work on true and false, very short type question. In continuation of the very short type question, that is from 9, we will start from 9 up to 8 we have completed. From 9, you listen carefully. Question number 9, the direction between the north and the west is called dash direction. What will be the answer? North-west direction. This is subdirections. Okay? How many types of subdirections are there? How many types of subdirections are there? 4 types. Okay? So, the 10th one is the direction between the south and the west is called southwest direction. The answer is southwest direction. Question number 11. The direction between the south and the east is called dash direction. What will be the answer? Very simple. This is southeast. The direction is southeast. The direction between south and east. South and this is main direction, south, east, these are main direction, but within that there is a subdirection. What is that? That is southeast direction. So the answer will be southeast direction. Question number 12. Name the instrument that help us to find directions. Name the instrument that help us to find direction. What will be the answer? The answer is compass. I am repeating. You have to name the instrument. Okay? Name the instrument that help us to find direction. The answer is compass, or we can say compass rose. Okay? Both are okay. Both are correct. Question number 13. In which instrument directions are marked on its dial? In which instrument directions are marked? Directions are marked on its dial. This is watch and it is its dial. Okay? So, like that, there is an instrument. Okay? So, what will be the answer? That is compass. In which instrument directions are marked on its dial? That is compass. Answer will be compass. I think you have understood. Question number 14. Which can make a person to lose his way? Which can make a person to lose his way? The answer is wrong direction. Question number 15. The bottom side of a map points to which direction? The top side of the map points to which direction? That I have told you, that is north. Just opposite, the bottom side of a map points to which direction? That is south. The opposite side of north is south. So the answer is south. The bottom side of a map points to which direction? The answer is south. What we must know if we want to go one place from the other, to one place from the other. What we must know if we want to go to one place from the other. What should we know? We should know the direction. So the answer is direction. Okay? What we must know if we want to go to one place from the other. The answer is direction. Question number 17. In which direction is the Himalayas located in India? In which direction is the Himalayas located in India? The answer is north. Himalaya is located in the north. And in which direction our state is located in India? In which direction our state? Our state, that means West Bengal. In which direction our state, or you can say West Bengal, is located in India? That is east. The answer is east. Now, like this I can ask you many questions. These are the sample questions. Like this I can ask you in this similar way. I can ask you many questions. Okay, practice this all. And